Okay, hi guys, it's Bella, and I'm going to be making a video showing you all of the weird noises that I can make. I can make quite a few. So, weird noise number 1. Still haven't figured out what it is yet. Weird noise number 2. Weird noise number 3. Supposed to be duck. Weird noise number 3. It's a seal. Weird noise number 4. Weird noise number 5. Weird noise number 3. Weird noise number 4. 5, 6, 7, I don't even know. I'm not keeping track anymore. Don't know what that is. I guess it's supposed to be a rabbit. But yeah, so those are the weird noises that I can make. I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'm pretty sure all of them sounded the same, so. Oh, hold on. Those are my growls. Love you guys. This is a shout out to my boyfriend. Add him. Emo Guitar 123. I'll post a link to his profile somewhere. He's amazing. I love you, David. So yeah.